Hi guys, this is JINAFIRE Long. I'm about to open her, and she is a part of the Skulltimate Secrets line, Destination Gore-geous Oasis. Isn't she beautiful? So yeah, I'm gonna unbox this for you. What do I say gonna for? Is that a word? That's not even a word. Yeah, so I'm really excited. Mattel sent me this doll. Thank you, Mattel. I appreciate that. I did receive some messages. I thought I would bring this up. I didn't know if I wanted to or not, but I got a couple of like troll type messages about how a channel with only 200 and something subscribers would be getting free dolls from Mattel. I'd be happy to take a photo of the receipts that I get each time. I'm sorry if it offends you. I don't know why they pick me. I honestly don't. Probably because I buy things from them a lot. I don't know. I'm not really sure, but I apologize if I've offended anyone. I don't mean to like show off or brag or anything. So be happy to show you. I don't know why I was invited to do this, but I appreciate it very much. But anyway, yeah, sorry. So this is going to be a gorgeous unboxing, and I'll be right back. Okay, here she is. She's super gorge. I'm about to open up the box. I just wanted to show you what a nice box it is. Here's the side. Pretty, pretty. I like it. I can't wait to open it. These are the three girls. So Draculaura, Laguna, and JINAFIRE. They're super cute. Let's get a little close up. Three little besties. And then, of course, this side. Sorry about the mess on my desk. I'm doing some stuff. But anyway, I just wanted to show you the box in its entirety. That's my coffee. Sorry, it looks gross, but it's actually like cinnamon and stuff. Sorry. Okay. I'll be right back. I'll unbox it and be right back. Okay, this is a really cool suitcase. So I wanted to show you really quick. To open the box, I just snipped the two black pieces at the top. That's the least destruction I could do. Okay, and as you can see, there's a key, and it will unlock JINAFIRE's suitcase. So let's do that. Okay, one sec. Don't tip over. It is sturdy, it's just my desk. Okay. All right. Here's the key. Very cute. All right. Hold on. Give me a sec. Okay, I turned it to the right. Da-da-da-da-da! She's gorgeous! Ooh, I love her. Look at this. She's so pretty. She's really pretty. Sorry if I'm making you motion sick. Let me turn this light off and see if things look better. Yeah, I don't know why I didn't start with that. I apologize. So look, we have a lot of cool stuff. Looks like, what is this? I don't know what that is. Not a brush. But we have little pictures of JINAFIRE and her friends. Like a locker type thing, but suitcase. Here she is. Comes a little package. A little purse. She's so pretty. Look at her face. Oh, she's gorgeous. She's super pretty. The G1s of JINAFIRE are hard to find now. At least they have been for me recently, but yeah. If I'm wrong, please tell me. So, ooh, beautiful tail. We will take everything out in a second. Little surprise there. Ooh, cloud earrings. Very pretty. Ooh, I love the scales on her legs. I don't normally like stuff like that, but that's really well done. Really, really well done. I love it. It's so colorful. Look at her beautiful hair. Let's get a good look at her face. So pretty. Okay, I'm gonna take her out of the box. Ooh, her skirt. I want to see if that was like velvet or something. Very pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna remove everything from the box now and show you what she looks like. Be right back. Okay, here she is, unpackaged. She's super pretty. Here are her little goodie bags that will open. Sounds really awesome. Couple of things I want to show you. Back of her head, if you can see, let's see. Stays. See, there's stays. Her head is connected to the back of this box. If you're gonna let your children unbox her, she will most likely get damaged because her head is kind of soft, and it might puncture a hole in the back of her head. So, and if they're using scissors, it might cut her hair. That's how close it was to her hair. They had like a stay wrapped around her hair near her ears. So just be aware of that. She's really pretty, but she has that kind of cheapy hair that we don't like. It's, I don't know, I don't know what it is. It's that, I forget what it's called, but it's like kind of sticky, and I think if we wash it and stuff, it'll be totally fine, because it's kind of soft up top, but it's a little kind of strange at the bottom. I'm sure you guys recognize the hair, but I'm sure that a lot of you little dolly magicians will be able to fix it. She's really beautiful. I love the molding. The paint is gorgeous. I have not opened this suitcase yet, but that's really cute. This little tiny suitcase is really cool. The only bad news is that it won't close. When I took her belt out, she's wearing it right now. Oh, the monster. It just will no longer close. And I couldn't get it to stay on her hand. It's very, very cute and well made, but it's just, you'll have to fiddle with her fingers and stuff if you're willing to do that. But this won't stay closed. I'm not sure why. But I'm sure you can figure that out too. You might be able to just glue it if you don't plan on opening it. So we'll just leave it like that. Okay, so I'm going to let you hear this again. So cool. I'm going to come back to you. I'm going to open it and come back to you. She comes with 2 of these. Sounds like some really cool stuff. So I will be right back. Be right back. Okay, I just wanted to show you quickly. The doll came with, you know, the usual instructions and that kind of thing, so don't worry. Okay, so pack number 1. Let's see what we have here. Ooh, whoa. There's a lot in there. One sec. Look at all this. Holy cow. Over here. So we have, so I apologize for that. So we have some earrings. I mean, sorry, sunglasses, not earrings. A cute little hanger. This looks to be like a bodice of some sort. Yep, bodice. Another hanger. Oh, the tag for this, for the travel suitcase. Your travel tag. Cute. And a little fan. Some sort of Asian design. Pretty. Okay. And let's take a peek in here. Actually. Stuff in here. Look at that. Okay, let's close it real quick and we'll look at that in a second. Okay. Let me take this stuff out of the plastic. Ooh, this is really pretty. Look at that. It just kind of fits on her. Very pretty. That right there. Take the little fan out. Really beautiful. That is gorgeous. Really pretty. Cute little hangers. And let's take out the sunglasses. Okay. Oh, these are really sweet. Those are really cute. Oh yeah, adorable. Adorbs. Let's put them on this thing. Oopsie. Oh, she's so cute. Okay, let's open the second one. Probably gonna have a lot in here too. Oop, yes. Okay, what is this? So this appears to be, let's see, is this another little suitcase? Not quite sure what that is, but we'll figure it out. Put the tag over here. Okay, so we have some Gore shoes. Whoa, look at these. Holy moly. I want a pair of these. Wow. Oops. Very nice. Here's the back. Wow, those are really cute. Okay. A little key for who knows what. You'll have to read the directions. I don't want to spoil it. I don't want to spoil everything for you. And then we have one more thing here in the plastic. What is this? Ooh, this must go to the golden part of that set. Wow, that's really pretty. You'll have to look at the directions and see what it's for. I really don't know. I honestly can do without the little plasticky stuff, but it's fun at the same time. So yeah, not quite sure what it is, but I know that you'll figure it out. Really cool. And now let's take a quick peek on what's in here. Look at the molding, that's really nice. So I'm gonna let you guys, I don't know if I should let you guys just open your own or show you. I think I'll show you. Ooh. Okay, so here's the inside. Can you see? Hang on. Oh, nice. Very nice. It's the front again. Now when you open it, very cool. This side has the monsterhigh logo. Okay, so put this here. So, comes with this little key. I'm not quite sure what it's to, but I know that you'll figure it out with your children or yourself, or, you know. We have, ooh, put this down here. This cute little bolero jacket. Ooh, look at that. That's really nice. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It's a little stretchy, not too much. Super cute. Put this here. And what is this? Are these pants? What is this? What is this, guys? I have no idea, but it's very well made, whatever it is. Could this be a skirt? It's probably a skirt. There appears to be a hole at the bottom. Very, very well made, and what a cute design. So let's find out together sometime. I think it's a skirt. And now, handkerchief. Very stylish, beachy handkerchief with some Asian flair. Gorgeous. Very well made, as per usual. And let's see, no seams on here, but you can do the old heat trick to protect the edges from fraying. And then, last but not least, wait do you see this? I think I dropped one. Wow, these are so great. Look at these. Sorry for being clumsy, you guys. These are beautiful boots. Wow. Wow, look at that. That's cool. Let's see. They might be hard to get on, but wow. That's a really cool design. I love it. So there you go. That is, let me make sure that's everything. Yep. That is everything that this beautiful JINAFIRE comes with. And she is lovely. Her hair, I'm sure, will turn out just fine with a little bit of work. She does have the little box hair. She's wearing this cute little skirt. It looks very well made, and it's hemmed. Very cool. Her shirt is so pretty. Purple and pink. Oh, gorgeous. Yeah, she looks super pretty. This is a beautiful set, guys. I hope you love it. You should get one if you can. Highly recommend it. Only disappointment is the hair, I would say, but it's not so bad that we dolly lovers can't fix it. Make it pretty. So, yeah, that is JINAFIRE. She is super beautiful. G3 JINAFIRE. I hope you liked it. Bye, guys. Please subscribe. Thank you. Bye. I just want to give you a quick look again at this stuff. These shoes are really cool. So it comes with 2 pairs of shoes, a secondary outfit. I don't know what this golden thing is, but we'll figure that out together. A fan, a couple of suitcases, a bodice, a tag, another little key for something, maybe just decoration. Oh, maybe it's for that. Yeah, looks like a butterfly. That's pretty. So, there she is. Okay, guys, I just wanted to pop in and just give you a quick, you know, just, there's that beautiful jacket. It looks knitted and then hemmed, which is really nice. So, you need to heat these. But, yeah. Sorry. Okay, I just want to pop in and show you that really quick. Super cute. Love it.